National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Seminole County in east central Florida, south central Volusia County in east central Florida, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 or 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Sanford, Orange City, DeBary, and Osteen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Monroe, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm.
Warning for Seminole and Volusia County will follow.
Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seminole and Volusia County in effect until 4:54 this afternoon. It's a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Seminole County and south central Volusia County. And at 4:08, the severe thunderstorm was located over Sanford, moving northeast at 15.
Siguiendo, a lo mejor antes cuando nos...
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Origin Estate.
Here's with
Significant weather advisory for West Central Lake and North Central Orange Counties until 4:30 p.m.
All right, SDR.